Hi everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to use the Alabama Virtual Library to find an article and create a citation. First, from the AVL homepage, I'll choose Resources for Alabama Elementary School, and then I'm going to scroll down to the different sources that there are that you can use, different resources. And we're going to choose the Britannica School Elementary, and it opens up into a new page. On the search bar, let's just explore dogs, okay? And when this pulls up, you'll see articles, images, videos, or more. We're going to stay on articles because that's where we're going to get our information on our report or project. So you can see there's a variety of different articles on dogs, right? Different breeds, different things. But we're going to stick with dog, this first one. Okay? It has many different things that you can use for your report or your project. This is something that you might use for a class report. All right? And let's say we decide to use this and the information that we gather from this article. Over on the left side, you'll see Cite right here. You're going to click on Cite. We'll choose the MLA format, which it's already there. AVL gives us the full citation automatically, so you can see right here it gives us how it's supposed to be cited and everything. So I will copy this citation and paste it into my project. This tells us who wrote it and where I found it. Remember, citing gives credit to the creator and shows respect for their work. And that's it. Now you know how to use AVL to find information and create a citation. Great job. Happy hunting.